So yeah, just making a quick video about the Crucible scraper card. It's actually a little smaller than I expected, but comes out of the package super sharp, from Lost Art Press. That's the envelope it came in. And it's performed beautifully. You can see just beautiful shavings. Well, not stunning, it's hard maple, but it's working. And so anyways, I've been using it actually to fit this drawer into this table over here. So I hand cut the dovetails, and so I've been using a couple of block planes, neither which one of them has a very sharp blade, but I use the block planes to kind of chop in, like keeping the grain from ripping. I'm just trying to narrow this portion of the drawer, and so I was able to kind of knock it in with the block plane, and then I was able to kind of go through and smooth out this. It's hard, it's rock maple, so very hard. But anyways, so now after using the card, my drawers look great and my dovetails look terrific. So I gotta say, I have some old thumbs, and they said this would be a lot easier for people that have arthritis to use. And yeah, it's super comfortable. It's got a curve in it, so it will rock. I think it's got a little bit less of a curve, or maybe it's the same. But I am really happy with it. So I just want to thank Christopher Schwartz for doing what he's doing, and I'm a believer. This is a terrific little tool.